Hi everyone, it's me, Courtney, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how I wear a dark lip and also talking to you about my recent job loss. So to start off, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star liquid lip in Abused. Now, I actually wear dark lips quite frequently, and the first way I do it is just by wearing a dark lip and mascara, which is what I have done right now. I don't have any foundation on, so this is like a fast, easy way in and out of the house is how I'd wear it. Now, there is times that I will spice the look up a little bit. And how you can do that is I'm going to be using the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Controversy, the Mini Controversy palette. And I'm going to be using Cry on My Couch and Diet Root Beer for now. Okay, so I recently lost my job. I was with this company for, it was a gas station. I was with it for 3 years and like a month. And I was a manager there. So I'm just going to take Cry on My Couch and put it all over my lid. So I was there for, like I said, 3 years and like a month. I was a manager when I was fired, and I worked Monday through Friday. I opened the store, so I had to be there around 5:30. So yeah, I was at work right before Christmas. I'm now taking Diet Root Beer, and I'm just gonna like put that into my crease in the outer corner. It was right before Christmas. And like a week and a half, something like that, right before Christmas. And I was at work. The owner came in and pretty much let me go. His reasoning was because I was playing lottery on the clock, and that's a no-no. Well, needless to say, literally everybody at the store played lottery, the owner himself included. So what I think the problem was that I made too much money. He always said that he's never paid anybody what he's paid me to work at the location that I worked at. And he had recently, he owned 2 stores. One being my store and the other one being that was relatively close. Well, he ended up losing his one store. Not my store, the other store. So what I think it is that I made too much money and he wanted to get rid of me. Cool. So needless to say, I am without a job. And now I'm trying to do my own thing. I'm tired of working under somebody, putting in hours upon hours and feeling like I get nothing in return. So with that being said, this is why I started my YouTube channel back up again. I would like to be my own boss. Now with that, I've also started to drive for DoorDash. I haven't done it just yet, but being it was like the holidays and New Year's, I took some time off, and I am going to be starting that also along with YouTube to try to get some money. I just find it crazy, and I don't know if anybody else has been in like a situation like I have, that you've been with a company for years, you dedicate everything to them, you put time, hours in, and it just feeling like it's not good enough. So this is another way that I would wear a dark lip, obviously. Now with this, you can also put like some eyeliner on and do like a wing. But from here, I'm going to go like the extras, a little bit extra to what I would do if like I was going out with my boyfriend. So I'm going to be going into the Jeffree Star Mini Jawbreaker palette. So yeah, so I'm going to be taking Hot Fudge here in the corner, and I'm going to be deepening up my crease. So yeah, I just feel frustrated because like I said, I put time and effort into this company, and just out of nowhere they come in and let you go. So in the comment section down below, I want to know if anybody else has also been through this situation, like through no fault of your own, that you just get fired. Yes, I agree that I shouldn't have been maybe playing the lottery on the clock, but everybody, like I said, everybody else was doing it. And I know I'm the manager, so I should have been, you know, maybe enforcing the rules a little bit. But when the owner sits there in front of you and he also sits there and plays lottery, you just kind of like, why wouldn't you, right? At least that's what I thought. But there was also other things, like he brought up like, oh, that I was late all the time. When I got promoted, I got told that as long as I had the store open by 6 o'clock, it didn't matter as long as I was there. So yeah, it was just like a lot of miscommunication. I find it pretty crappy that I lost my job, but honestly I think it's gonna be for the best. So right now I'm taking Hot Fudge and just darkening up the crease. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Purple Punch into the crease also. So what about anybody else? Has anybody else, has this happened to anybody else? I would love to know, like, if this has. And what did you do? I did file for unemployment. So I'm waiting, they're, you know, doing their thing with unemployment. But yeah. So I should also say that I have literally been working since I've been 16. I have never been fired from a job, ever. And every job that I have or have had, I have for years. I never just, you know, worked for a couple months or a couple weeks. I've always had every job that I've had for years. I've worked at Walmart. I've been a manager at Walmart. I worked at a like mom and pop bar pub type thing. I was a manager there. I worked at McDonald's. I was a manager there at like 16. So it just, It just drives me crazy. I don't understand. I'm going to take a little bit of oral with my fingertip, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. So yeah, I don't know. But, you know, they say 2020 is the year of vision, so this happened for a reason, and I'm not upset about it at all at this point. Like, it did happen for a reason, and, you know, if I decide to go back into the workforce and get another job, then I am not going to be putting my 100% all into it anymore, because not to like my 100%, I'm going to put 100% into it, but I'm going to take time for me. Like, with my job before, I never took time for me. I worked Monday through Friday, and I got weekends off, yes, but on the weekends I was expected to answer my phone if they called. You know, if they needed something, I was expected to answer my phone at a drop of a hat. So yeah, I'm going to take this time and definitely focus on myself. So this is another way that I would wear a dark lip. I could also go darker and more vampy, and I would add eyeliner too. But it's like, let me check here. It's like 12 o'clock in the morning here, and I can't sleep because I just got over a cold. I planned on filming videos and getting them up way sooner than this, but I unfortunately fell ill. I got this flu or the 24-hour bug or something. Sorry, my video cut out. So yeah, I had the flu, so obviously I took care of myself and got better. I'm still a little nasally, if you can't tell. But yeah, it's just pretty crappy. I mean, I know other people have lost jobs, and I'm sure, you know, and of course, like, as a manager, I had to fire people unexpectedly, so it's pretty crappy. Like, I always hated firing people, like, especially around holidays, or if, like, I really knew that they were working because they needed the money. Like, it just sucked. Like, I hated doing it. But I mean, as a manager, that's what you're expected to do. So now I'm just sitting here and I'm like, I lost this job. It was like the main source of my income. So what am I going to do now? Like I said, trying out YouTube. I also started DoorDash. If that doesn't work, then I will eventually, I've been putting out my resume and looking for jobs, so obviously I have that. But it's just, I really don't want to give 40 hours of my week to somebody again, and just, they can just drop you at the dime of, like, a drop of a hat. Like, it sucks. Not only that, like, I miss out on things like family things, family events, hanging out with my boyfriend, hanging out with friends, like, doing stuff that I want to do, like YouTube. Like, I used to make YouTube videos in the past, amazingly makeup videos, but, like, now I can sit down whenever I want and make a video. You know, when you work a 40-hour week, especially at my shift, I had to be up at work at 5 o'clock in the morning to be at work for 5:30 a.m. and then I'd work until like 1, 2 o'clock. So there's like 8-9 hours there out of my life, and then I'd come home and I'd just be so tired, so I would take a nap. And then of course you have adult things like laundry, dishes, cooking dinner, cleaning up your apartment, grocery shopping. Like, then that takes out more time out of your life. And then you have to sleep. Obviously you have to have like a bedtime, so then, or like to sleep the night, so you go to sleep. So I'd go to sleep like 7-8 o'clock to be up in the morning. So there's all that time that I'm just missing out on fun and missing out on time with people that I care about and things that I want to do. So I'm hoping with doing YouTube and getting my voice out there and letting you guys, know about my so-called adult life, and like doing makeup at the same time, that you guys will enjoy this, and maybe we can have some discussions and discuss things that like happen to you, or topics that I should talk about that as an adult we go through. It's really important to me. That's why I call it like my so-called adult life, is because, as an adult, and especially an adult in like their late 20s, I'm going to be 30 here this year. Like, I feel like most people my age have it together, and I don't feel like I have my life together, like, which sucks. But I'm sure there's other people out there that are in the exact same position as I am, that are wondering the exact same things, and we're going through this together. And I don't want you guys to feel alone. Like, I want you to feel like you can relate to what I'm saying. Maybe have conversations about things that we're going to talk about in the future. Right now it's, losing a job. If you've ever lost a job, tell me about it. I would love to hear. Maybe there'll be a part 2 and like a follow-up, answering some of your questions and maybe relating some of your stories. I would love to do that and get everybody's voice heard. I want you guys to relate to me also. Like, this is, adulthood sucks. Like, I don't know if anybody else, but when you're younger, you wish that you were older, and when you're older now, you just kind of wish that you can go back and just be a kid again, and have fun and not have to worry about things. But we're here now, so we got to do it. But yeah, if you like this video, maybe if you just want to like join in the discussion, let's have a discussion down below in the comment section. But if you could like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Of course, stick around, like, be a part of my so-called adult life with us. Even if you're just becoming an adult, like, and you want to know what it's going to be like, maybe have some questions. This is for anybody, really. Like, this is our channel. I would love for you guys to stick around and, hit that subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. And you come hang out. As subscribers, the more subscribers I get, I will eventually do some live videos, and I'd love to get on live with you guys. So yeah, other than that, you guys are amazing. Thank you. And I don't know why my lip does this stupid thing here. But yeah, you guys are amazing, and I hope you are having a wonderful day, whatever day you're seeing this, whatever time, and you're amazing. So stay blessed.